Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and Realme Pakistan has entered in the Pakistan market after a long time, and they bring the Realme C51. And guys, and this is a budget phone from Realme, and this phone is costing around 35,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. In this price range, we have 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and here's the box of the Realme C51. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. We have 33-watt super fast charging with the 5000 mAh battery size. Also we have 50 megapixel AI camera. On the front we have 6.7 inch 90Hz IPS LCD display. Also we have ultra slim design, and the color I have is the mint green color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And the price of the Realme C51, it is really good. And guys, you know, Realme has not launched a lot of smartphones recently in the Pakistan market. So now let's quickly open this box, and first let me remove the plastic. And this phone also available in the black color, and this phone also available with a 4GB of RAM with a 64GB of internal storage variant. That phone is costing around only 30,000 PKR. And again, here's the box of the Realme C51. When you open the box, on the top we are getting our mini box. So inside of this box, here is our semi-gestion tool. Welcome to the Realme family. And inside there, here is our case, which is a dark gray silicone case. Also we have a quick start guide as well as a warranty card. And here is our device, Realme C51. Now let's out the phone from this box like this. And guys, and the green color looks like of the Realme C51. As you can see, on the back we have a matte finish on the bottom, while on the top we have a glossy finish. And the top side, it is a fingerprint magnet. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have a depth sensor on the back, and the back is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. We have USB type C. And now let's quickly boot this phone up, and we also have a screen protector which is already installed. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 33-watt super fast charger. And here is our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable. This is the cheapest smartphone in the Pakistan market that give you a 33-watt super fast charging. And now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Realme C51. Speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray, and now let's look at the SIM tray. It is a triple slot, so you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full face SIM slot. On the top we have nothing, no noise cancellation microphone, and volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. It is on the right hand side, in which we also have fingerprint scanner. We have a dual cameras on the back, and this phone has a 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, which is a good thing. Also we have a U-shaped notch on the top, and the bottom chain, it is really average. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Realme C51. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, and this phone has a IPS LCD display. So and the display it is a decently bright, although we don't have a full HD resolution on this phone. Anyways, now let's go to the settings. And this phone is running on Android Go edition about phone, and this phone is running on Android 13. We have Realme UI, which is a T edition. We have 128GB of internal storage out of 110GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This one has a fingerprint scanner right inside the power button. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner, it feels really fast. And this phone is powered by UniSoC T612 SoC, and this phone feels really fast because we have Android Go software on this phone. But now let's look at the camera. So here's the main camera looks like. Here's a video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, I think. Yes, it is. We also have a night mode, and here is our portrait mode. In the mode section, here is our slow motion. In the mode section, we also have 50 megapixel mode. We also have a pro mode. So all those things, it is available on this phone. And now look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Yes, in the selfie camera, it is not really good on this phone. I wish that we have a better selfie camera on this phone. And the front camera also shoot 720p at 30 fps. We don't have a 1080p support. Night mode not available with the front facing camera, and portrait mode, it is available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Okay, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme C51. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Overall, I have to say that I'm really liking this phone, and this phone comes in the decent price. Follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.